Hello friends, welcome to eWeb Guru. Today we will see how you can install WordPress in cPanel. So to install WordPress in cPanel, first of all you have to log in into your cPanel. Please type your domain name, then /cPanel and press enter. You will find cPanel login page. Here you have to put your user ID and password and then press enter. After logging in, please find feature application section. Here you will find a WordPress option. Please click on that. Installation window will be open. Here in top corner you will find install the application button. You have to click on that button. Here you have to select your domain on which you want to install WordPress. Here you can also select different paths as you want. We recommend to install WordPress on HTTPS path. If you want to create a separate directory like a blog, you can create here. I don't want to create a separate directory. I want to install on main domain root, so I am keeping it blank. Here you can select the here you can select WordPress version. I am selecting latest one, that is 5.6. Here you can select your language. Here in this option you can automate your update. If you want automatic update, you can enable. You can also control updation process of plugin. You can automate it or you can keep it manual. If you want automatically created backups, you can set up. If you don't want to create automatic backups, you can disable it here. Then you have to create administrator username and password. Here you can create a username. Here you have to create your password. You can also use inbuilt password generator to create a strong password. After that you have to put your email in this section. So after that you have to create your website title, that is right. If your site has any tagline, you can enter your tagline here or you can keep it blank. If you want to enable a two-factor authentication, you can enable two-factor authentication with Jetpack plugin. If you don't want to create two-factor authentication, just keep it default. Here if you want, you can limit your login attempts. If someone exceed the login attempt limit, that person will be blocked from accessing your site for few minutes. After that you have to click on install. Process will begin. Please make sure you note down your user ID password so you can access your WordPress. Here our installation process is started. WordPress installation will take hardly 5 minutes. It depends on your internet connection. Here our WordPress setup is ready. You can just click on your login path to access your WordPress application.